Hello बच्चों, let's see the question. Triploblastic, schizocoelomic, unsegmented, stalk body animal belongs to the phylum. And you have the option first Annelida, B. Mollusca, C. Nemathelminthes, and D. None of these. Now you have given the one question, and in that question, here there is a mention of some characteristic like the body pattern, that is they are the triploblastic, then the schizocoelomic, unsegmented, and you want to match that pattern with that of given options. Okay, so our key concept, it is the schizocoelomate. What is the schizocoelomate? Key concept, it is the schizocoelomate. Schizocoelomate. Now the organism, before discussing this schizocoelomate, we shortly discuss the classification of organism based on presence or absence of coelom. Organisms, organisms, animal kingdom, organisms broadly divide into three groups based on presence or absence of coelom. Absence of coelom. Then again, what is the coelom? Now the coelom, it is linked by the mesoderm. Coelom, it is what? It is nothing but it is linked by the mesoderm and a cavity which is filled with the fluid. Coelom, body cavity linked by the mesoderm. Body cavity linked by mesoderm. And that body cavity, it is filled with the fluid. Okay, and that in that fluid, the internal organ, they are freely suspended and they are separated from the body walls. Okay, so according to the presence or the absence of the organism, presence or absence of the coelom, organism is categorized into the three groups. The first is the acoelomate organism. Acoelomate means what? Where there is a no absence of coelom. Absence of coelom. Example of the acoelomate organism, these are the Platyhelminthes. Okay, Platyhelminthes, phylum Platyhelminthes, that is the flatworm. Example is the Platyhelminthes. Platy means flat. That is the flatworm. And example of this again flatworm, it is the Taenia solanum. Okay, tapeworm or a liverfruit. Tapeworm. Okay, so acoelomate, it is the Platyhelminthes. The second group, it is the pseudocoelomate. Pseudocoelomate means what? There is a no or the not a true coelom. Pseudo means false. Not a true coelom. This pseudocoelomate, these are the basically aschelminthes. Example is the aschelminthes. Aschelminthes, which is also called as the Nemathelminthes. And the example of these organisms, they are the roundworm, Ascaris. And the third group of organism, these are the coelomate organism, where there is a presence of true coelom. coelom. Now this this coelomate again divide into the two group. The first group, it is the schizocoelomate, and the second group, it is the enterocoelomate. Okay, schizocoelomate means the originated from mesoderm split. Originated from mesoderm split. Mesoderm split. I write here the split. Example of this schizocoelomate, these are the Annelida, Mollusca and the Arthropoda. Annelida, phylum Annelida, then Mollusca and Arthropoda. Again next one, it is the enterocoelomate. Originated from outpocketing of embryonic gut. Outpocketing of embryonic gut. Example is the Echodermata and the Chordata. Echono and chordate. Okay. So let's come to the question. Our question is that the triploblastic, schizocoelomate and unsegmented soft body. Annelida, these are the schizocoelomate, but their body it is segmented. So Annelida, it is not correct answer. Mollusca, yes, Mollusca, it is the schizocoelomate. I already write Mollusca. It is the schizocoelomate, and then they are the unsegmented. Nemathelminthes again not, because Nemathelminthes these are the pseudocoelomate. So your correct answer is the option number B. I hope you will clearly understood it. Thank you and best of luck.